Hello YouTube, I'm Zion, you're in Galactic view. Today's video will be a tutorial of Vroid. In the previous video, we started with face editor, then we continued with body editor. Now we will start with clothing editor. In this tab, selecting clothes is easy, the only thing that you need to look at is this. For the sake of the video and through the content, I will only be showing this view only for very good reasons. On the left side of the clothing tab, there's a section that says presets. There's a tab that says uniform. When you click on the arrow on the right side of that area, there's other clothings. These clothings are already made by default from the program. One thing to know is a selection that says base model. That translates to having the model naked. Don't worry, it's user-friendly. It's not like the full details of nature. Basically, it doesn't have any details like that. On the right side there's a part where it says clothing. Underneath it, there's two divided groups for the clothing. First one is called tops, and the second one is called bottoms. In either tops or bottoms section there's slightly more clothing options to choose, however, they're presets. You can at least select a default clothing to begin with, and later modify it to your preference. When a clothing is selected there always will be some options to customize your clothing a little bit by increasing certain part of the clothes. This process is the same with the accessories and shoes. You can erase and paint on the clothing. I'll be making a tutorial for each one. Things will become a little tricky. That should be all from this part of the tutorial. In the next video we're going to work with clothing editor, painting. Remember to like and subscribe. It will please me.